Hey guys, today we're talking about Vshred, the popular fitness program you've probably seen all over YouTube and social media. Some people swear by it, while others say it's a scam. So we did some research and checked out real user reviews to give you a balanced take on whether Vshred is worth your money. Quick disclaimer that this is just our opinion based on research and customer feedback. We're not telling you what to do, just giving you the info so you can make your own decision. Let's get into it. Vshred is a fitness and nutrition program founded by Vince Sant, who claims to help people burn fat fast and build muscle efficiently. Their website, vshred.com offers customized workout plans, meal plans based on your body type, supplements, and fitness courses. Sounds great, right? But a deep dive into reviews shows some major red flags. A Reddit post from 8 years ago asked if Vshred actually works. Here's what people said. One user called Vshred the worst fitness YouTuber, accusing him of copying content from other creators and not fully understanding what he teaches. Instead, they recommend free resources like fitness calculators and apps like MyFitnessPal to track calories. They also gave solid weight loss advice, focus on calorie intake, exercise for muscle retention, and stick with it long term. No need to buy an expensive program when free tools already exist. Vshred has a poor rating on Trustpilot, meaning a lot of people were unhappy with their experience. Here's what some of them had to say. False advertising and bad customer service. One customer spent 295.32 bucks but found the diet plan too restrictive. Even though the ad claimed you can eat whatever you want, customer support was rude and unhelpful, and they struggled to get a refund. Some liked the program but hate the tech issues. Another user said the workout plan itself was good, but the website and app were glitchy and confusing, leading to frustrating delays. People on Quora and other forums have pointed out serious issues with Vshred, including fake before and after photos. Some users claim Vshred stole information photos from Instagram to market their program. False promises and exaggerated results, meaning the program talks about metabolic types and broken metabolisms, concepts that aren't scientifically proven, and unqualified trainers. Is Vshred a total scam? Well, not necessarily, but it's definitely overhyped and overpriced. The pros are some users found the workouts helpful. It might also work if you just need structure and motivation. The cons are false advertising and bad customer service, overpriced meal plans that aren't as flexible as advertised, shady marketing tactics, fake photos, and exaggerated claims. And better, free alternatives exists. If you're new to fitness and need a simple plan to follow, it might help you. But you can find similar or better programs for free. Instead, consider free calorie tracking apps like MyFitnessPal, free YouTube fitness channels from qualified trainers, and more trusted science-backed programs like Athlean X or Jack Nippard's plans. At the end of the day, Vshred might work for some people, but the over-the-top marketing and bad reviews make it hard to recommend. What do you think? Have you tried Vshred before? Let us know in the comments.